What is your name?
My name is Jhansi Lakshmi Vrinda.
What class are you studying?
I am studying 4th class.
Right. What is your school name?
My school name is Prakati Bala Vidyalaya.
Very good. Jansi, have you got WH questions?
I have what it says.
Recite.
It says the Hindi very how much and how many how often and that sugar, how many times any salu.
Very good. Have you got tenses?
I have what it says.
Wait. I will ask some Telugu sentences. You translate them from Telugu to English. Have you understood?
I have understood, sir.
But say loudly, okay? నేను నిన్న గుడికి వెళ్ళాను.
I went temple yesterday.
Formula?
Subject plus object munna.
Very good. Which tense it is?
Simple past.
Very good. ఆమె రోజు పరిగెడుతుంది.
She runs daily.
Very good. Which tense?
Subject plus object రోజు.
Tense? Present simple. Right? Or simple present. We can say like that, right? Next. వాళ్ళు రేపు ఆడుకుంటారు.
They will play tomorrow.
Very good. Which tense it is?
Subject plus illa plus event plus object elundi.
Tense.
Simple future.
Right. నేను ఇప్పుడే బుక్స్ తీసుకున్నాను.
I have taken books just now.
Very good. Put your hands together. Very good, Jansi. Go on, sit.